Underneath your engine compartment's rough and tough exterior is a delicate balance that relies on perfect timing and just the right temperature to operate correctly. Your car is a well-tuned machine that takes time, patience, and plenty of elbow grease to really understand. At Toyota of North Charlotte, we know you don't have all the time in the world to become an expert auto mechanic, but our Becoming an Auto Service Expert series is here to help make things easy. In this new episode, we're showing you the basics of brakes. Check it out. Brakes are probably your vehicle's most important safety feature. Without them, you'd find yourself getting in more fender benders than usual. But before we dive into how to take care of them and maintain them, here are a few key parts that make your brakes work. The brake discs and rotors. These parts come in contact with the brake pad to create friction and bring your car to a stop. Brake pads. These pieces create friction with the rotor to slow your vehicle. They're held in by calipers and are the most replaced part of your brakes. Calipers. This part holds the brake pad in place and connects the rotor to your brake line. Maintaining your brakes is just as important as oil changes and other service jobs. You need to make sure you know what to look for if you suspect you're having brake issues. Here are a few telltale signs. Strange sounds can be heard when you apply the brakes. Your brake pads are looking thin. You should look through the spokes of your wheels to determine this. Your rotor is a tad rusty, or feelings like shuddering and tugging when applying the brakes indicate that there's likely an issue. Driving is all about stopping and going, and your brakes are what make that possible. Make sure to keep them well maintained to keep your commute safe. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Becoming an Auto Service Expert. Visit Toyota of North Charlotte at 13429 Statesville Road in Huntersville today for help with all things auto service.